Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy origami flipping crane. So as usual, we start off with a square sheet of paper and you're going to fold it diagonally both ways. Try and make the folds as even as you can. After that, you're gonna flip the sheet of paper over and you're gonna fold it vertically and horizontally. So after that, we're gonna place your square like that, and you're gonna take the corners and bring them towards the bottom, and then flatten the top, so that you have something like that. After that, you're gonna fold the flaps towards the center line here, which you're only gonna fold one layer, so instead of folding both layers, just one. Do the same on the other side. And then you're gonna fold the top corner like that. After you've done that, unfold it, and you're gonna take only one layer of paper and bring it upwards, folding along the line that we've just made. So something like that, and then you're gonna bring the sides towards the center. Since we've pre-made all the folds, it should be pretty easy to do so. You should have something like that. After that, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So flip towards the center. Open and make it flat again. Okay. So now what you're going to do is bring the flap from the side here and fold it to the center line like that. Turn it over and then do it on the same side. So since we've just done it on the left side, now we're going to do it on the right side. Okay, so now what you're going to do is fold the model like that and do the same thing with the other end. And then you're going to make another fold. This time we're folding down, forming our crane. So now you're going to unfold, open the side right here, and sort of push it from the bottom. So take your two fingers and then push with your thumb towards the top, like that. And as you do that, you're going to reverse the folds that were at the bottom. So it should look something like that. And then you're going to do the same to form the head of the crane. Now we're just going to make the tail, and for that we're going to do the same thing. Open and make it flat. So now you're going to do the wings, and for that you're going to make a fold from that point to that point. Turn over and do the same thing from here to there. So this is your origami flying crane ready. And to make it fly, you're gonna take the tail of the crane and then pull it gently towards the side, like that. And this will make the crane flap its wings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.